Good day, everybody, especially to you, Sir Mabini. I'm Alana Ikulina from Bates HM Section 18. So today, I'll be discussing the different presidents of the Philippines from Ramon Magsaysay to the current president, Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. The first president of the Philippines is Ramon Magsaysay from 1953 to 1957. His tagline is Integrity in Action. Born on August 31, 1907 in Iba, Zambales. His early life is automotive mechanic and World War II guerrilla leader. Ramon Magsaysay was known for his honesty and connection to the common people. He empowered farmers through agrarian reform, fought corruption with the public trust, and often visited communities to listen to their concerns. So the second president of the Philippines is Carlos P. Garcia, from 1957 to 1961. His tagline is Nationhood through Enterprise. Born on November 4, 1896 in Talibon, Bohol. His early life is lawyer, teacher, and poet. Garcia promoted economic independence through the Filipino First policy, encouraged cultural pride, and practiced strict financial discipline through his austerity measures. The third president of the Philippines is Diosdado Macapagal, from 1961 to 1965. His tagline is Building a Strong Foundation. Born on September 28, 1910 in Lubao, Pampanga. His early life is lawyer and economist. Diosdado Macapagal fed the economy through the agricultural policy, pushed land reform to help farmers, and established the land bank to support agriculture. The fourth president of the Philippines is Ferdinand Marcos Sr. His tagline is Legacy of Progress and Controversy. Born on September 11, 1917 in Sarat, Ilocos Norte. His early life is lawyer and war hero. Ferdinand Marcos Sr. modernized the country through massive infrastructure projects and improved agriculture with the Green Revolution, though his rule was also marked by controversy. The fifth president of the Philippines is Corazon Aquino, from 1986 to 1992. Her tagline is Democracy Reborn. Born on January 25, 1933 in Paniki, Tarlac. Her early life is housewife and democracy icon. As the first woman president, Cory Aquino restored democracy after martial law and created the 1987 Constitution to strengthen freedom and human rights. Next is Fidel V. Ramos, from 1992 to 1998. His tagline is Philippines on the World Stage. Born on March 18, 1928 in Lingayen, Pangasinan. His early life is military officer. Fidel V. Ramos opened the economy to global markets, promoted national unity, and launched the Philippines 2000 program for modernization. Next is Joseph Estrada, from 1998 to 2001. His tagline is Champion of the Underprivileged. Born on April 19, 1937 in Tondo, Manila. His early life is actor. Joseph Estrada focused on the poor through his Angat Pinoy programs and gave support to farmers to boost the agriculture sector. Next is Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, from 2001 to 2010. Her tagline is Building a Stronger Economy. Born on April 5, 1947 in San Juan, Rizal. Her early life is economist and professor. Gloria Macapagal Arroyo pushed for economic reforms, infrastructure development, and continued efforts to strengthen the country's financial stability. Next is Benigno Aquino III, from 2010 to 2016. His tagline is Good Governance, Better Future. Born on February 8, 1960 in Manila. His early life is politician. Benigno Aquino III promoted clean governance under Daang Matuwid and lead the country to economic progress through transparency and accountability. Next is Rodrigo Duterte. From 2016 to 2022, his tagline is Change Through Action. Born on March 28, 1945 in Maasin, Southern Leyte. His early life is lawyer and mayor of the Davao City. Rodrigo Duterte launched the Build, Build, Build program for infrastructure and focused on fighting crime and illegal drugs to ensure public safety. Next is Ferdinand Marcos Jr. From 2022 to the present, his tagline is Unity and Progress. Born on September 13, 1957 in Batac, Ilocos Norte. His early life is politician. Ferdinand Marcos Jr. focuses on national unity, economic recovery, and new investments like the Maharlika Investment Fund to secure the country's future growth.